It's no longer big news that the UK government added care work into its shortage occupation list. That means if you're looking to relocate to the UK this year, this video is for you because in this video, I'm going to be naming names, providing links and phone numbers of recruitment agencies and as well as care homes that can provide you with this job. So stay tuned. Massive recruitment is ongoing, and if you haven't started applying yet, you better start because this is only going to last for 12 months. You know that from my previous video. In my last video, I showed you how to apply directly. In this video, I'm going to be going further to provide links and phone numbers as well as names of recruitment agencies and care homes that you can apply to. So just apply, and ASAP because it appears everybody is interested in this one. Okay, just a quick disclaimer. I am not an agent, you know that. Neither am I a migration officer or personnel. I am just here to give you the latest information that will aid your relocation. So do well to do your own research on all of the information provided and then click the subscribe button, red subscribe button down there to ensure that you're subscribed to such contents that would literally change your life. Watch till the end of this video because I have saved the best for last. I'll list out the names, their phone numbers, as well as links that you can go and apply. So in this video, that is what I'll do. Currently recruiting in the UK rather, and agencies that are currently recruiting in the UK and providing certificate of sponsorship. That is what is important. So before you relocate, you will need to get a certificate of sponsorship from an eligible employer. Not all companies are eligible. And it's easy to find out the companies that are eligible because there's a list for this. On the UK government site, there's a list that shows you all the eligible companies, and so that when you get a job, you ensure that they are eligible and licensed to provide you with a certificate of sponsorship before you proceed, so that you don't just end up wasting your time. The certificate of sponsorship is not necessarily in a paper form. It's a set of alphanumeric code that you will be given by your employer to use to apply for your visa. And that's important. If you're out of the UK without that, you can apply for the visa. So you can come over and do the job. That is why you must ensure that whatever employer you're working with or you're going for has the ability, is legible, it's legible and licensed to provide you with the certificate of sponsorship. Okay, so I'll link the link to the UK government site below in the description so that you can just check whatever home or whatever agency you are working with or care home. You can just check them out on the UK gov.uk site and check if they are an institution that is licensed to provide certificate of sponsorship. Okay, having said that, if you're applying from inside the UK, it's a different thing altogether. But if you're applying from outside the UK, then you need the CoS. It's called a CoS. Now, please recall that for this visa, you would pay a reduced fee when applying for the visa, so that's a good thing. Also, you can come with your family, your dependents, and if you stay for 5 years, you will now be able to apply for an indefinite leave to remain. So, the duration of work for this visa counts towards your application, towards the 5 years to apply for the indefinite leave to remain. And once you get a job that pays a minimum salary, the job must pay a minimum salary of 20,480 thereabout a year per annum for you to qualify. So it's anything from 20,400 and above. There are numerous care homes and care jobs that are applying currently. For example, if you go to the carehome.co.uk, that site has like over 9,000 jobs listed. And that's because there have been a gap. Like I mentioned in my previous video, there have been a shortage in the care and social workforce. So to this visa was introduced to make up for that lack, to make up for the such shortage, and basically that is why it was introduced. So it's sort of a blessing for those who urgently want to relocate to the UK, especially this year, because it will run throughout the year to use this. Some people haven't even asked me, can I come through this visa and then later change to my course of interest or my desired job? I don't see any reason why. Because when you come, you are in a better position to get your desired jobs, and then you can always switch when you get another COS from the new job or new company you're moving into. But you always have to be on a COS for your visa for you to remain in the UK. This I mentioned in my last video that this will also benefit even those within the UK, such as students that are on temporary visas, such as students, dependents, just name them. Anyone on a temporary visa can take advantage of this as well, and then get one of these care jobs and get sponsored, get on the sponsorship. So even the NHS is sponsoring lots of students now for care jobs. So if you're within the UK, you might want to take advantage of that. But if you're outside the UK, all of the links and names I will place on this video. You can go check it out. Check and ensure that they offer the COS, that's the certificate of sponsorship. Here I've made it easy for you because the names, phone numbers, links are here so that you just go straight up and apply. Just keep applying. You can't afford to just apply to only one. Keep applying to as much as you can. That is the way out. That is the way to stand out, because most of these agencies were formerly recruiting doctors, nurses, radiographers, and other health professionals. But now most of them have included care assistants as part of their program. So you just keep applying to a lot of them as you see in this video and more. You can apply directly or you can apply through an agency. Most agencies are not supposed to collect money from you, so beware of scams. They are not actually supposed to collect money from you, because when they bring you, the company pays the agent. So ideally, they shouldn't collect money from you. So watch out who you're giving your money to. Be sure that you're not being scammed.